did you press it again?
No, go.
Oh,
it's
well,
recording.
Hi, I'm Megan.
It's February 23rd.
It's February 23rd, and Sam is down there. We switched skiing, so I'm skiing.
All right, show us out how you do it.
I think I can do it.
Sam! Say your name.
My name is Samantha.
And what's the date?
No, today is February 23rd. How do I do this?
Just keep right up on your toes.
Oh my goodness, it's crazy.
You smoked it.
I know.